Here I've got REALME 6 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open home screen and wallpaper. Then go to the very bottom of the list where you will notice set wallpaper. So just click on set wallpaper and now pick either static wallpaper or live wallpapers. So just pick the album that you would like to have. You can also choose something from your own photos, but I will pick something from static wallpapers. Click on allow and now choose the picture that you like the most. You can take a look at all of them. And then apply the one that you want to have as your wallpaper. So let me choose for example this one. Tap on set as and finally decide if you want this picture to cover just your lock screen, your home screen or both of them. I will pick both. And as you can see, from now on you've got brand new wallpaper on both your home screen and also the lock screen. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.